Good day and God bless. Today's herb that we will be discussing is called Feverfew. It's also known as chrysanthemum. Feverfew grows worldwide and can be plentiful in North America. The parts that are used from this herb include the bark, the dried flowers, and the leaves. Now, the overall benefits for Feverfew include that it fights muscle spasms and inflammation. It stimulates the appetite and improves fluidity of lung and bronchial tube mucus. It stimulates uterine contractions, and it relieves vomiting and nausea, headaches, migraine headaches, fevers, and colitis. The phytochemical content in Feverfew includes beta-carotene, parthenolide, and santamarin. The vitamin mineral content of Feverfew includes calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, zinc, and vitamins B1, B2, B3, and vitamin C. Okay, so a word of caution about taking Feverfew. Pregnant women shouldn't take Feverfew. People who take blood-thinning medication or who take over-the-counter painkillers should consult a healthcare provider before taking Feverfew. This is so because the combination could cause internal bleeding, so it's very important. Let's begin with beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a compound that is responsible for the yellow, orange, and red coloring to vegetables. It is converted into vitamin A, or retinol with an O, in the liver. Vitamin A is effective for good vision, eye health, for a strong functioning immune system, and for maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes. The second phytochemical is parthenolide. Parthenolide is a sesquiterpene lactone of the class gemmocrinolide. This class is naturally occurring in the plant Feverfew. It's highly concentrated in the flowers and the fruit. Now, the benefits of parthenolide is that it relieves migraines, it relieves blood clots, it's anti-inflammatory for arthritis, and can be used as a digestive aid. The third phytochemical on the list is santamarin. Santamarin is a sesquiterpene lactone of the eudesmanolide group. This group promotes anti-inflammation and antioxidant functioning. Eudesmanolide is any of a group of sesquiterpene lactones present in Wedelia, which is a taxonomic genus or origin with the family Asteraceae. These can be seen primarily in flowering plants. Now, the properties include antiviral, antibacterial, anti-tumor properties. It's also hepatoprotective, meaning it protects against liver damage. Now, regarding the functions of the nutrients, we'll start with calcium. Calcium, in short, is effective for strong bone development, healthy teeth and gums, strong heartbeat, and nerve impulses. It's also effective for muscle growth, contraction, and it's helpful in preventing muscle cramping. Iron is a major component of a type of protein in the blood called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin carries oxygen from the lungs to all the areas of the body. Iron is a part of myoglobin, which is a protein that specifically carries and stores oxygen in muscle tissues. It's important for healthy brain development and growth in children. It's also used in the normal production of functions of various cells and hormones. Magnesium. Magnesium is crucial for energy production. It helps in the utilization of calcium and potassium. It's also a key component of nerve and muscle impulses. Magnesium is also said to be essential in preventing calcification of soft tissues. It's said to protect the arterial linings from stress resulting from sudden changes in blood pressure. Another key function of this mineral is that it's involved in the formation of bone and the metabolism of minerals and carbohydrates. Manganese. This trace mineral is found in tiny amounts in the human body. It is found in the bones, liver, the kidneys, and the pancreas. Minute amounts of this trace mineral is essential for fat and protein metabolism, as well as healthy nerves, immune system, and blood sugar regulation. It's also crucial for bone synthesis, the formation of cartilage, and synovial fluid of the joints. Phosphorus. Now, phosphorus is said to be the second most abundant mineral in the human body. The first is said to be calcium. About 85% of the phosphorus in the human body is found in the bones and in the teeth. It's said to be a key component of bones, teeth, and cell membranes. It aids in blood pH balance, enzymatic function, regulation of normal nerve function, muscle function, as well as building blocks of our genes. It's actually the mineral that makes up DNA, RNA, ATP, which are all vital in energy production. Potassium. Potassium is said to be an essential mineral needed by all the tissues in the human body. It is sometimes referred to as an electrolyte because it actually carries a small electric charge to it that activates various cell and nerve functions. A major role of potassium is that it helps the body to maintain normal amounts of fluid inside our cells. Interestingly enough, sodium is its counterpart, and it maintains normal fluid levels outside of the cells. Potassium is also said to be an aid in maintaining stable blood pressure. Selenium. Selenium is known to be an essential trace mineral. It works effectively with vitamin E as an antioxidant. It plays a crucial role in protecting cell membranes and tissues. Selenium is also a key factor in the function of glutathione peroxidase. This is an enzyme that targets harmful hydrogen peroxide in the body and converts it into water. The glutathione molecular structure actually has 4 atoms of selenium to it. Glutathione guards the blood cells, the heart, the liver, and the lungs. Zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that is an effective antioxidant. Some of its uses include that it aids in protein synthesis and collagen formation. It promotes a strong immune defense system and healing of wounds. It promotes bone formation. It protects the liver from chemical damage. And it's essential in prostate gland function as well as the development of the reproductive organs. Vitamin B1 or thiamine. This is a water-soluble vitamin that improves circulation, assists in blood formation, carbohydrate metabolism, as well as the production of hydrochloric acid, which is proper for digestion. Vitamin B2 or riboflavin. This is a chemical compound crucial in the formation of major coenzymes flavin mononucleotide and flavin anidine dinucleotide. This is essential for red blood cell formation, antibody production, and cell respiration and growth. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, niacinamide, or nicotinic acid. This is an organic compound. Interestingly enough, it can actually be manufactured by plants and animals from the amino acid tryptophan. Vitamin B3 is essential for proper circulation and healthy skin. It also helps in the function of the nervous system, the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, and the production of hydrochloric acid. It also aids in the normal secretion of bile and stomach fluids and in the synthesis of sex hormones. Niacin also lowers cholesterol and improves circulation overall. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is a very popular vitamin that is essential for many metabolic functions. It's an antioxidant that is well known for immune system functioning, adrenal glands, tissue growth and repair, the functioning of anti-stress hormones. It improves heart function and also aids in iron absorption. Now, vitamin C is also needed for metabolism of folic acid, tyrosine, and phenylalanine. So I thank you very much for joining me on this episode where we discussed feverfew or chrysanthemum and its biochemical content. So be sure to join me for our next episode in the following weeks to come. Thanks again, and God bless. Have a blessed week.